Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to calculate iodine value. First, understand that iodine value quantifies the degree of unsaturation in fats and oils, indicating the number of double bonds present. The fundamental principle involves the addition of halogens, specifically iodine monochloride from Wedge solution, across these double bonds. You'll need specific reagents like Wedge solution, potassium iodide, and sodium thiosulfate, along with standard laboratory glassware for the titration process. To begin, accurately weigh your fat or oil sample, typically between 1 and 0.5 grams, into a clean flask. Precision here is crucial for reliable results. Next, dissolve this weighed sample completely in about 15 milliliters of a suitable solvent, such as chloroform or cyclohexane, ensuring a homogeneous solution. Finally, carefully add exactly 25 milliliters of the Wedge solution to your sample. This solution contains iodine monochloride, which will react with the double bonds. Allow the reaction to proceed for 30 to 60 minutes in the dark for complete halogen addition. Then, add 10 milliliters of 15% potassium iodide solution and 100 milliliters of distilled water. Titrate the liberated iodine with a standardized 0.1N sodium thiosulfate solution. Add starch indicator near the end point and continue titrating until the blue color disappears. Finally, calculate the iodine value using a specific formula that considers the thiosulfate volumes from both your sample and a blank titration. For accurate results, always perform a blank titration without the sample. This accounts for any iodine loss not due to the sample. Also, ensure all your reagents are fresh and properly standardized. This is critical for precision in your measurements. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay hydrated. Maintaining good laboratory practices, like proper waste disposal and safety, will also contribute to successful experiments and reliable data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.